Today I'll show you how to make this sort of checker box for the graphic resource or something else. At first, going to the file and going to the new options. From here I'll take an artboard which is 25,000 by 25,000, actually 2500 an RGB color mode, and hit the create button. You're getting an artboard over there. So going to the rectangle tool, turn off the stroke and draw a square shape, and which is white color. That's fine. And then press Alt and make another copy of this shape and make this one 30% gray. That's fine. And these two square shape, press Alt to make them copy, and press Ctrl and press D to make this one repetition. All the stuffs will make it adjust with the artboard. That's fine. Press Alt option button to make another copy of these, and then going to the adjustment, flip horizontal, and then select all the stuffs and make them into copy by pressing Ctrl or Command D and make this one fill up. You are getting easily the checkerboard over there. You can use those things to your any sort of design elements when you are making some templates for the free pick and other stock sites. It will help you a lot to make these sort of placeholder type element, and you can make those things in a group and then press Ctrl Shift Alt S to make this one into the output file. Here the JPG format, and here 2500 and 2500, and you can make that 300 pixel per inch and then save it out. It will save in a JPG mode, and you can use those things for your preferences to your design work for the placeholder. So that's all for today. Hope that you like this video and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Asm Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.